Sheila and Uncle Dee Dee.
Who's it from?
Aunt Sheila and Uncle Dee Dee.
Yeah.
Give me the excited look.
Okay.
Okay, you need a little help getting that open? Or you got it?
I got it. Go.
Pull that up. Okay. You sure need help?
You probably need help.
Good work.
Oh, cool.
I don't think that's it. Okay. Gavin, let him get it. Let him get it.
Trevor, there's more stuff. There's another. Oh, a Lego City set. Lego set. Yeah.
What is it?
Yes, a Lego City set.
A Lego City set.
5 and up.
5 and up. That is you now.
Awesome.
Almost.
Oh, cool.
Whoa.
Awesome.
What is it, Trevor?
Lego City.
Are you excited?
Here's the Trevor. Here's your card. Thank you.
Let's open the card.
What the heck is in here?
Just there.
Oh, cool. Pencil lock. Oh, it's Perry one.
It's Perry?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Let's see.
Dear Trevor.
It says, inside sources say it's your big day.
And then
Is it safe to assume Operation Celebration is in full swing? Love, Uncle Dee Dee, Aunt Sheila, Mary, Allison, and Olivia. Happy birthday, Trevor.
What do you say, Trevor?
thank you. Perry.
Let's get some big smiles. Blow some kisses.
That was a good sugar. Somebody's excited. Thank you, Uncle Dee Dee and Aunt Sheila, Mary Alice, and Olivia.